"What did you make of Cal Matheson?" Jim asked. What did she think of him? He was quite attractive, in a scruffy kind of way. He obviously didn't take much care of himself, working alone in that draughty barn, building boats. She had liked his thick dark hair and his bright blue eyes. Nice smile, lovely voice, deep, an accent she still couldn't place. Scots, but softer, islands maybe. A bit thin. I thought maybe he seemed a bit lonely. Aye, his wife died a couple of years back, Freya. Such a shame. He made his money with the band. The band? What band? Have you never heard of Cal Matheson, guitarist for 2CM? Best Scottish band ever, until Charlie died. Right up there with Simple Minds and U2. Might even have been as big as the boss himself. He began to sing one of their songs, Island Nights. Going back to those island lights, back to those island nights.
I'm going back.